Hello everyone, welcome back to Forensic Solutions. So today we are here with another video on the tool APPE APK Analyzer. So here we introduce you to the incredible capabilities of the APPA tool APK Analyzer. If you work with Android applications or are in the field of security, this is a must-have tool for your toolkit. APPA tool APK Analyzer is a comprehensive software designed to simplify and streamline the process of analyzing Android applications, also known as APKs. It offers a wide range of features and utilities that caters to both app developers and security professionals. For app developers, the APPA tool APK Analyzer is a game changer. It enables you to analyze APKs quickly, identify potential performance issues, and optimize your applications for enhanced user experiences. From resource analysis to code debugging, this tool provides invaluable insights into your app's functionalities. For security professionals, the APPA tool APK Analyzer is an indispensable aid in analyzing Android apps for vulnerabilities and malicious behavior. It assists in identifying security holes, potential data leaks, and risky app permissions, keeping your users and their sensitive information safe. So now let us see about this tool. So this is the GitHub page for APPA tool APK Analyzer. Here is the installation guide to install the APPA tool APK Analyzer. You can follow this process to install this tool into your Kali. So after installing this tool, let us see how to use it. So this is my tool APPE. So let us see what all flags this tool provides to us. So now we will run the command python3 main.py-h. So -h stands for help, -f specify the APK file path, and -l suggests us the list of all SSL pinning scripts. You can use these flags while extracting the information of APKs. So now we will see on application that what this APP tool provides us the information about the APKs. So this is my APK Facebook Lite which I have already downloaded. I am entering here -f for the file path and the name of the file. So as you guys can see, this tool has extracted all the information regarding the APK in the folder which is apk-extracted. So all the files of the extracted APK are present here. If you want to mod an APK, you can change the files here and then further use the APK. So this was our today's tool. I hope you guys understood this video. So like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe, stay secure.